I'll show you the best Temu coupon code that's available as of now. Now you can see if you click on the link I'm going to show on the screen right now, you will be redirected to this page that I have on my screen right now. You can see we can get 100 Canadian dollars on coupon bundles for new app users. Now, if I click, for example, close out of this, you can see if I still scroll down here, you can see there's still a lot of deals to be found, right? So it's not just the $100 coupon bundle here. You can get a lot of other discounts just by clicking on the link on the screen right now. For example, here we can get a core box for only $17 from its original price of $88 it seems. You can get a game console for only $56, a car seat for only $22, a light strip, LED strip for around $14. A lot here, right? A wallet, a projector, flip-flops, a lot more LED strips, cameras, bags, shirt, pants, and all of it are on discounted price, right? So if the $100 coupon bundle here is not enough for you, remember, you just have to scan this QR code to get the $100 coupon bundle. Of course, if you don't find that appealing, you can find all other products here on this page discounted, very, very, very discounted. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.